Here's one of my long-standing favorite trailers. 39AKFFL. We got a pit group in this one. It's gray with gray corners, white trim, and white lineals. Pretty sharp looking trailer. House type rear entry door. Let's go on in and check it out. First off, all my Quailridges, what you see is what you're gonna get. Everything in them stays in them. This particular trailer lists for $63,285. Heading on in. This is called the Fresh Air Interior Decor, and I kind of like it. There's your pit group. Got a sleeper sofa in it. Four swivel chairs. Fireplace that puts out some heat. We don't have our lights hung, but it's got pendant lighting. Stainless appliances. This has the plank PVC flooring. It looks like wood. If you don't tell anybody it's not wood, they'll never know the difference. Guarantee you. Kitchen has a 5-burner range. Big Lazy Susan in the corner, so you can put a lot of stuff in that Lazy Susan. Stainless faucet, stainless sink, pull-out sprayer. Whoa, why does that flip over like that? That is ridiculous. That's my GoPro flipping out on me. All right, this has glass shower doors. They're still in the cardboard box. You've got a hall pantry, nice big hall pantry, room for a vacuum cleaner if you need it. Great big nice bathroom. Holy smokes. I'll take this one home with me. Corner vanity, tub shower with glass doors. Great family trailer. You got a hall closet. You got a little bit of hall storage. Coat closet. Can you see in there? There we go. Get the light showing it right. Nice big rear entry door. Queen bed. And your signature, his and hers, Quailridge wardrobe. 8 drawers and 4 doors. Lights in all the closets. This has a great big half loft. So let's go check out the loft. Heading on upstairs. I'm trying to show you the front room here. This particular floor plan, the angle kitchen, has been a great seller for us. A lot of these sold over the years. Okay, you got your optional entertainment center. Turn this around. You got your tour guide, and then you've got the front room. Nice floor plan. 2019 Quailridge 39AKFFL by Forest River. Brought to you by Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois. The best Quailridge dealer in the United States. Have a great day.